plans to cover 44 years of the existence of this parish, every first time. Your graces, Matthews Mardonas, your grace, Abraham Milatius, Reverend Fathers, Pastors, Deacons, Seminarians, Julius Best, Congressman Chris Van Holden, Bay District, and from Indian Ambassador's Office, R.T. Krishnan.
Here is the proclamation from the Honorable Governor of the State of Maryland to St. Thomas Indian Orthodox Church, Greater Washington, in greetings. Be it known that on behalf of the citizens of this state, in recognition of a special tribute to honor and celebrate the consecration ceremony and inauguration service of your church.
I bring your greetings from Indian Ambassador Donaldson and Marriott colleagues from the Indian Embassy. This church belongs to a faith that goes back to the days when Apostle St. Thomas himself traveled here.
This citation is presented to St. Thomas Indian Orthodox Church in celebration of this consecration with gratitude for what